Okay, now let's look at how a homeowner would contact the provider. In this case, if I go to a sump pump, like the one that I just created, I can add a provider. For this sump pump, I would like to add KC Pier as a provider. Now that I've added KC Pier as a provider, they will show up on my appliance details summary page. If I ever need to contact KC Pier, I can see their information here. Additionally, if I go back to my home page and I navigate to my hamburger menu, I can see a list of my providers here. In this case, I can tap on KC Pier and I see a list of appliances that they are servicing.